Hello students, for the standard 6 we are going to see your new lesson number 7. Lesson name is a fair play. So in this lesson students we will see the question is asked you here, has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? Read this story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity or sense of what is right or what is wrong. So part 1 is given students here. Juman Sheikh and the Aglu Chaudhary were two good friends, so strong their bond of friendship that they either of them went away from the village. The other looked after him family. Both were greatly respected in the village. They were friend students. Okay, next. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after the arrangement as worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as a different to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limits. Next page. One day, she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. For many days, the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and few others advised her to make it with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Aglu Chaudhary and spoke to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Aglu said. But it is right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair. Please, the old lady, come to Panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Aglu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Part 2 will see students. See, the Panchayat was held at the same evening under an banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, the voice of the punch is voice of the god. Let my aunt nominate the head panchayat. I will abide by her decision. The panchayat knows either neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Agli Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Fine, replied Jumman, hiding his joy over his unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Jumman, said Aglu. I know that, replied the aunt. But I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of Punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Jumman said Aglu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am Punch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What you have to say in your defense? 3 years ago, began Juman. My aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. Juman was cross-examined by Aglu and others. Then Aglu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Juman must pay aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Aglu's enemy and wanted his revenge. So this way we have seen students two parts. Okay, so from these two parts students, write near about 2 pages hard words, and each words you are going to write how many times? 5 to 6 times, and read it 2 times, students.